Creating backups for your DigitalOcean droplets is crucial to prevent data loss and ensure business continuity. In this tutorial, we will cover the best practices for DigitalOcean droplet backups. First, understand the importance of backups. Backups are copies of your data that can be used to restore your droplet in case of a failure or data loss. DigitalOcean provides a backup system, but it is also recommended to use third-party tools for additional security. To create a backup, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the droplet you want to backup. Click on the droplet and select the Backups tab. Here you can enable backups, which will automatically create a daily snapshot of your droplet. In addition to DigitalOcean backups, consider using third-party tools such as RSYNC or Duplicate. These tools provide more flexibility and customization options, allowing you to create backups of specific files and directories. When creating backups, consider the 3-2-1 rule. This means having at least 3 copies of your data on 2 different types of media and 1 off-site copy. This ensures that your data is safe in case of a disaster. Another important consideration is backup retention. Decide how long you need to keep your backups, and set up a schedule to automatically delete old backups. This will help prevent storage costs from getting out of control. It is also recommended to test your backups regularly. This involves restoring a backup to a new droplet to ensure that the data is complete and usable. In conclusion, creating backups for your DigitalOcean droplets is essential to prevent data loss. By using DigitalOcean backups, third-party tools, and following best practices such as the 3-2-1 rule and backup retention, you can ensure that your data is safe and secure. Regularly testing your backups will give you peace of mind, knowing that you can restore your droplet in case of a disaster.